And then also been talking about unprecedented January tropical activity possible in the eastern Pacific. Computer models continue to hint at the possibility of development here by early next week. And of course, this would be the first tropical cyclone ever recorded in the Pacific Basin in the month of January.
Fox Weather hurricane specialist Bryan Norcross is joining us on the phone this morning. Bryan, good to hear from you. Happy
Yeah.
Friday, my friend.
Hi, Britta, from a very cold Miami
I was
this
going to
morning.
say, you're probably busting out a couple extra layers this morning. Let's talk about the temps first, and then we'll get to the tropics. Of course, I think most of our viewers think about you as just the hurricane guy, but you are a brilliant meteorologist as well that studies outside of just tropical weather. Florida, we get batches of Arctic air every once in a while, but Floridians, you're not used to feeling it all the time.
Yeah, it just depends on how your house is built, to tell you the truth. Because the thing is here that most of the buildings, especially in Central and South Florida, are made out of concrete. So when you have a lot of sunshine, that makes the concrete relatively warm. So the house doesn't cool down super fast. It's these extended periods of cold that affect people in Central and South Florida with concrete homes. And so this cold snap, honestly, where I am, doesn't feel too cold. My thermometer says it's 45 outside, but inside it really feels normal because the windows have been mostly closed. Actually, I haven't cracked last night. But when we get another cold snap, which is expected the first part of next week, things just start to cool down, because the concrete cools down that is surrounding us in the homes. In North Florida, it's cold, of course. It's in the 20s. But this cold snap doesn't have quite the trajectory to get the coldest air down the peninsula. I mean, it has to come kind of from the northwest to get all the way to South Florida and really affect us down here. It's been more from the north, so we get some Atlantic warming, keeps temperatures up a little bit. So we're looking for mid-60s here today, and a little warmer tomorrow, and then another batch of cold air that might be a little colder than this, actually, making it all the way to South Florida about Monday, Central Florida on Sunday. So Tampa, Orlando are going to get this next front coming up over late in the weekend, looks like. Yeah, it's really about trajectory down here that I used to look at. For 25 years, I forecast the weather in Miami, trying to figure out exactly how cold it was going to get. And by the way, this date today, January 16th, is if you look at the normals, this is the coldest point of the winter in Miami. So we start warming up on average slightly beginning tomorrow.
It's a quick dip, if you will, and then start to rebound for the rest of the season. Bryan, real quick, I mean, you spent so much time in Florida. You know the state so well. What about the citrus and the produce in there? Is this the kind of cold that would have that kind of effect on any vegetation as far as citrus and some of the crops?
I wouldn't expect so because they have calm winds there. It's when it's cold, super cold and windy that it transfers the cold. The ground gets colder, the fruit gets colder, and all that has to be extended. So I wouldn't expect that this is strong enough. I've been through much colder weather than this. In Miami, I forecast snow one time, Greg and Britta, in Miami, and it was for Christmas of 1989.
Wow.
And it snowed as far south as Lake Okeechobee, and we had cloud cover all day here, and it got up to 45. This is the coldest high temperature ever. Right, it was so close. But I thought, okay, I gotta forecast it, right?
Yeah,
especially around
I forecast
Christmas.
the possibility, right?
Absolutely.
Day.
Well, you lead me to my next question. We got to make it quick because we got to let you go soon. But you know what we've been talking about, this potential for snow in the southeast this weekend. Maybe an overrunning setup, that area of low pressure. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think it's very unlikely to have any significant snow. We have some come out of the sky, but the ground is so warm that I don't think anything is really going to stick. And the setup really isn't good for snow. I've done snow in Tallahassee, forecast snow in Tallahassee when I was in school there. And it's a different thing where the storm system has to stay pretty far south. And by the way, the thing in the Pacific is just not going to happen. It will develop, but too far north over the cool water.
All right.
There's Bryan Norcross. He gets it in right at the end.
I
love it,
that.
my friend. Good to talk to you. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Have a great weekend.
You too. Have a good weekend.